Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for seniors: how to stop muscle loss fast with one daily food science-backed. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, can quietly steal up to a third of your muscle mass by age 60, threatening your strength and independence, but you can fight back, starting in your kitchen. Let's explore some nutritional powerhouses, starting with beans and legumes. First we have chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Then there are lentils, coming in a variety of colors like red and green. And of course we can't forget black beans and kidney beans. Each of these offers a unique flavor and texture. These humble foods are actually plant-based protein powerhouses packed with essential nutrients. As we age, our bodies need more high-quality protein to maintain muscle mass and overall strength. It becomes even more crucial to prioritize protein intake. Beans deliver that protein, plus they are loaded with fiber for stable energy levels and better nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of your meals. Fiber also helps you feel full and satisfied after eating, supports a healthy gut microbiome, and keeps your energy steady throughout the day for all your daily activities. Add beans to soups for a hearty and nutritious boost, toss them into salads for added texture and protein, or roast chickpeas with your favorite spices for a crunchy and satisfying snack. Lentil soup is a classic, easy and comforting option, perfect for a chilly day. The goal isn't a radical diet change that's hard to maintain, just small, sustainable additions of beans and legumes into your regular meals. Over time, these simple choices can make a big difference, helping to preserve your strength, vitality, and overall well-being. Beans and legumes are not only incredibly nutritious, but also an easy and affordable way to support muscle health and a vibrant lifestyle every day. Next, let's talk about eggs, a nutritional powerhouse often underestimated. They're not just for breakfast, they're a fantastic addition to any meal, offering a wealth of benefits, especially as we age. Eggs are considered the gold standard for complete protein, because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks our bodies can't produce on their own, making eggs an invaluable dietary staple. Furthermore, eggs are particularly rich in leucine, an amino acid which plays a crucial role as it triggers muscle repair and growth, making them especially effective for seniors looking to maintain strength and mobility. Beyond protein, they also provide a natural source of vitamin D essential for maintaining strong bones, and choline, a nutrient vital for optimal brain and nerve function, supporting cognitive health as we age. Whether you prefer them scrambled, hard-boiled, or incorporated into a delicious omelet, eggs are incredibly versatile and easy to add to any meal, from breakfast to dinner. And contrary to some outdated beliefs, for most people, eggs have little impact on cholesterol levels. But it's always a good idea to check with your doctor if you have any specific concerns or pre-existing conditions. Ultimately, whole foods like eggs play a significant role in supporting your entire neuromuscular system, contributing to overall health and vitality. So, make eggs a regular and enjoyable part of your routine for efficient muscle maintenance and a well-rounded nutritious diet. Number 3. Greek yogurt. It's packed with double the protein of regular yogurt, mostly slow-digesting casein. Casein provides a steady stream of amino acids, protecting muscles from breakdown, especially overnight. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, supporting gut health and reducing inflammation linked to muscle loss. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Add berries, chia seeds, or nuts for extra nutrition. It's a versatile option for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. Greek yogurt is a simple, delicious way to boost muscle preservation. At number 4, lean chicken breast. High in protein, low in calories, and rich in muscle-building amino acids like leucine. Chicken fuels muscle repair, especially after activity, and provides B vitamins for energy. More energy means more movement, which is key for maintaining muscle. Bake, grill, or stir-fry chicken for healthy meals. Add it to salads, sandwiches, or soups for easy variety. Consistency is key. Chicken makes it simple to meet your protein needs. Make lean chicken a staple for strength and vitality. Number 5. Chia seeds. Small but mighty, they're a complete plant protein and loaded with anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Omega-3s help calm chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle loss. Chia seeds also provide fiber, calcium, and magnesium for bone and muscle health. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend into smoothies, or make chia pudding for a filling snack. No cooking required, just soak and enjoy. Chia seeds are an effortless way to support muscle and bone health. Number 6 on our list of muscle-building foods for seniors is incorporating fatty fish like salmon into your meals. Salmon is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for maintaining and building muscle mass as we age. Another excellent choice is mackerel, a fish rich in flavor and essential nutrients. And don't forget about sardines. These small but mighty fish are nutritional powerhouses. These fatty fish are top sources of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. They're also abundant in omega-3 EPA and DHA, essential fatty acids that play a vital role in overall health. These omega-3s directly enhance muscle protein synthesis, helping your body build and maintain muscle tissue more effectively. Furthermore, they actively reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can hinder muscle growth and recovery. Studies show they improve muscle strength, contributing to better physical function and mobility, and overall physical performance in seniors, allowing you to stay active and independent. Aim for at least 2 servings per week. Baked, offering a tender and flavorful option, grilled, for a smoky and delicious taste, or convenient canned options all work and provide similar benefits. Canned salmon with bones adds extra calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Fatty fish are a powerful, science-backed way to protect and build muscle, contributing to a healthier and more active lifestyle. Make them a regular and enjoyable part of your diet for lasting strength, vitality, and overall well-being. 7th on the list, nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, cashews. They offer plant protein, healthy fats, and key micronutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. Healthy fats reduce inflammation and support heart and muscle health. Nuts are calorie-dense, perfect for those with smaller appetites. Snack on a handful, add to oatmeal or yogurt, or use nut butters with no added sugar. Nuts are a convenient, nutrient-rich way to support muscle function. Number 8. Oats, a breakfast staple packed with complex carbs for steady energy and a surprising amount of protein. Oats fuel your muscles for activity and help prevent energy crashes. They're also rich in beta-glucan fiber for gut health and fullness. Choose steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties for better nutrition. Boost protein by adding yogurt, protein powder, or nut butter. Oats are a simple, effective way to energize and support muscle health. 9th, bananas, famous for potassium, which is vital for muscle function and preventing cramps. Bananas also provide quick, digestible carbs for pre- or post-activity energy. They help replenish muscle glycogen and support recovery. Slice onto oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or eat on the go. Bananas are a cheap, portable way to keep muscles working smoothly. Finally, number 10, sprouted chickpeas, an underrated nutrient-dense food. Sprouting boosts protein bioavailability and increases vitamins and minerals like magnesium and iron. They're easier to digest and packed with antioxidants for cellular repair. Find pre-sprouted chickpeas in stores or sprout your own at home. Eat them raw in salads, wraps, or lightly sautéed. Sprouted chickpeas are a powerful, easy way to maximize muscle nutrition. Add them to your routine for a simple, science-backed muscle boost. There you have it. 10 science-backed foods to fight muscle loss and build strength as you age. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 foods and add them to meals you already enjoy. Consistent positive choices help you stay strong, independent, and active. Combine these foods with regular movement for the best results. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment below with the foods you're excited to try. Until next time, stay active, eat well, and be well.